Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to remove and inspect the exhaust valve on your 94 through 01 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Your exhaust valve has a lot of small, losable parts, so stay as organized as possible. These components are hard to get without buying an entire parts engine. The exhaust valve is in direct contact with the exhaust, so this will be a messy removal. Start by removing the exhaust valve cover and throw away the old gasket. Remove the screw securing the link lever to the valve shaft. Carefully remove the valve shaft from the cylinder and remove the left collar and spring, link lever, right spring, and collar. Remove the screws securing the power valves, then remove both valves. Inspect the valve shaft for cracks and burrs. Inspect the holders and power valves for cracks and burrs. Most burrs can be removed with a fine-tooth file, but cracked parts need to be replaced. Make sure the pins are secure within the valve, but do not try to remove the pins. Inspect the exhaust valve operating area in the cylinder block for excessive wear or damage. As you may have noticed, your exhaust valve has a lot of small parts, and since these parts are small and in constant contact with the exhaust, make sure to clean them as thoroughly as possible. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.